and now I'd like to show you some examples of the most popular and interesting automations that we use at Belka Games. And first example is color coding automation, the automation that saves a huge amount of time, not only for localization managers, but also for developers and QA specialists. We have a column called translation state, which uses single selection data type. This column contains several statuses, which helps us to track localization process and improve communication between different kind of specialists involved. The statuses range from ready to translate to not confirmed, each representing its own place in localization pipeline, and each with its own unique color. Here is a straightforward example of current Belka Games pipeline. The narrative designer sets the status to ready to translate when text ready to be translated. Then localization manager changes the status to in translation when after sending all text to our localization vendor. When we received our text, checked them, made proofreadings, we change the status. Localization manager changes the status to translated, signaling to other specialists that now text can be integrated into the build and go through QA checks. And in the end, QA changes the status to QA verified after checking all text directly in the build. This process looks logical and simple, except one catch. Apart from selecting every status, specialists also need to select and color every cell by hand. Doing it in the past would lead to many problems, confusions, and misunderstandings, resulted in total chaos. Yeah, with Gridly we automated this process almost entirely. Each status has a dedicated automation that automatically colors cells according to color legend and status. Here you can see how we did it in the past by just selecting the cell, coloring by our hands, and it's not so useful and not so great. But now we have statuses and colors linked to them. We just select the status that we need, translate it in translation, and then we can see that all cells recolor automatically. It's useful and saves a terrible amount of time.